second heart sound, duration of which is around 0.12 second. It is produced due to the closure of semilunar valves. It has two components, aortic and pulmonary. Features of second heart sounds are they're short, high pitched, they're heard as a dub sound, frequency is around 15 hertz. The higher frequency is because of the greater elasticity of the semilunar walls, and it is heard over the aortic and pulmonary area. In some persons, second sound may be split due to the asynchronous closure of aortic and pulmonary walls. Usually, aortic valve closes first because of the lower pressure in pulmonary artery and lower ejection time, and split is wide during inspiration. During inspiration, venous return increases due to more negative thoracic pressure, so stroke volume of right ventricle increases, and